Let us start. Flower vary in many ways. Most flowers have the same basic structure. A typical flower has a stalk called pedicel which join it to the stem. The uppermost part of the pedicel is wider is known as thymellus. On the top of the thymellus, the different part of the flower are arranged in the ring. Okay. The outermost whorl consists of a green leaf-like structure which is known as sepal. And this protect the flower when it is still a bud. Okay. Next to the sepal are the petals. These are generally brightly colored and that attract insects that help in reproduction. If you remove the petals, you can see stamens. Please see 8.16 figure 8.16. okay, this figure during watching this video. Filament with a big back thread called anther, and the anther contain pollen grain which are fine dust like particles. These are take part in reproduction. In the center of the flower rises a flax shaped structure called the pistils or carpel. This is the female part of flower. Its base is slightly swollen and is called the ovary. The short tube-like upper part is the style and above it is the stigma. The stigma receives the pollen grains from the anthers. Inside the ovary are a small braid-like structure called ovule. However, some flowers have no sepal. In other, sepal and petals are exactly alike, and some may not stamen, and others may have no carpels. So these are the things important regarding a structure of flower. I hope you write down each and everything. Okay, each and everything, including this paragraph, a structure of flower, this one. Okay, please draw a structure of flower and write down the definition of each and every part of the flower. Let us talk about next topic, which is pollination. The pollen grains are transferred from the anther to the stigma or either the same flower or the other flower, the same kind, by wind, water and insects, and this is known as pollination. Okay, let us see. So it is the process of transferring of pollen grain from anther to stigma. If this process is done in a same flower, the transfer of pollen grain from anther to stigma is done in same flower, then it is said to be self-pollination. If it is done by two flower, it means that the pollen grain come from another plant and injected in another plant. Okay, so such are said to be cross-pollination. So pollination is a process in which the pollen grains are transferred from anther to the stigma or either the same flower or of the another flower of the same kind by winds. These are the agents: winds, water and insects. Okay. After pollination, the ovary swollen up, the change into fruits, and the ovules change into seeds. And the fruit is generally made up of fruit walls and seeds. You can see figure 8.19. See. Fruits, seeds, fruits, seeds, fruit, seeds. Okay. So these are the things you need to understand. Okay. And now this chapter is finished. In this chapter we talk about first of all plant system. There are two system are there, root system and shoot system. In root system we talk about tap root system and fibrous root system. and the function of root system is to fix plant to the soil and absorb water and mineral from the soil. Okay, now let us talk about shoot system. Shoot system consists of flowers, fruits, stems and leaves. The function of flower is reproduction. The function of fruit is to protect seeds, or we can say the protection of seeds and dispersal of seeds. These two things are the function of fruits. Now stem. First, it support the plant. Second, it bear other part of the shoot system. Third, transport water, minerals and food. Now leaf, the function of leaf, in which we talk about photosynthesis, because leaf make their own food by themselves with the help of chlorophyll, carbon dioxide, water, sunlight and transpiration. Okay, so these things we taught in this chapter. I hope you understand chapter 7 and chapter 8, and after watching this video please read chapter 7 and chapter 8 carefully, make their notes, remember each and every important term. I repeat, focus on reading skill. Please read book twice. Okay, each and every chapter whatever I did during classes. Okay, so that's all for today. Thank you.